Hey, so this is my room before. You can see that I had two shades of brown paint. I had stuff everywhere. Um, I didn't have a lot of space. My room used to be two closets that were put together, and we knocked the walls down. So that is why I have an extra door right there, which we took down eventually. I had a futon mattress. It was very cluttered, very unorganized. And as you can see right here is when I started peeling off the paint. So right here I peeled off all the paint. As you can see, I had concrete floors as well. I had tore up the carpet due to it just being old and a water leak. And so right here was the beginning process of emptying out my room. So right here is where I had patched up all the holes in the wall, made the walls even, and I painted it a silver blue color. Right here I started adding my vinyl wood panels, which are much cheaper and they still look good as wood floors, real wood floors. And right here is where I installed all the electrical outlets because even those just add something. I used to have the nasty beige ones and now I have white. And they're also really inexpensive, you guys. Home Depot has them for literally cents. All right, got my wardrobe and dresser with the mirror installed. Thanks to John, as always. Yeah, we had to put some caulk on the ceiling because little bugs was getting in. But maybe it'll grow on me, but here we go. So that's the bed. I'm gonna have to get a thin mattress because when I come up, I'm gonna have to watch my head for this light. I have a desk down here. I don't know, it's gonna be weird. It's gonna be weird. I don't know if I like how much space it takes up. Once the bed is installed and once we get it all fixed up. And then, I'll incorporate some more white under here and add more natural wood. So I bought some white shelves and some natural wood shelf holders, so that way my bed won't be the only thing. Only thing is I'm probably gonna stain these so it'll match that. The room so far, a desk will be under here with my little white desk chair. You see? And then I can still open my wardrobe. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Still got plenty of room. I can even come behind it and open it. This made my room a lot more space efficient. So now I have so much more space. But before, I only had a bed and it took up so much space, and then I had a shoe rack right there. And then I had some dressers right here, the plastic ones, and it was just so dirty and ugly, and I didn't even like being in my room. I never was home, but now I'm actually going to enjoy being home because I have a cool room to come home to. Also, I wanted to tell you guys about this thing. Me and Damani were at IKEA one time and I saw it and I was like, this is cool. And these slide out like this. So it's just more storage space on the wall for me. And then I also have little hooks that go in here. I can't find them, so you can hang your keys. And it's only $15 altogether. So just really cool, something y'all should look into if you need something by your door. So if you always forget your keys, you can keep them right there. And it also comes in different colors. I just got the white. I have too much white in my room right now. I'm gonna have to add some color. It'll get there. I got my little laundry bin now, $6 from Walmart. But I just liked it because it was sturdier than my old one. So this is the finished product. This is the door we walk in. I have my coat rack hanging right here. I now have my shoe rack right to the left when you walk in. I still have my mirror. I have a new coat rack, which I got from IKEA. Just thought it'd be cute. More storage space because I have so many jackets and I have even more in there. So it is just about space efficiency. Besides some clothes I need to put up, I have so much more floor space. It's so much cleaner. And that's my bed up there with this stuff on it. I don't make my bed anymore because it's just a lot of work. Oh, I'm acting like I made it before, but yes. And I have my shelves up where I keep just little decoratives. And then I'm editing the video right now. I have my desk. Everything's just much more organized. And I also have a pillow, which my boyfriend's stepmom gave me. It was so cute. It just added something. I keep all my cleaning supplies hanging on this wall. I have my fan because it gets hot. Also have my fan up here to keep me cool at night. Just some more decorative stuff. And everything's organized now. This is my wardrobe where I keep like the summer clothes, my iron, and hair appliances. And this is the dresser where I keep all my makeup and hair supplies, just anything I might need. And yeah, that is the full room tour, you guys. Alright, and if you would like a price tour or a more detailed tour of where I got everything, just give this video a thumbs up.